Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need admin access and a source RSS URL. Once you have that feed link, often ending with XML or /feed, open the WordPress dashboard and decide whether you'll use a widget, a block inside a post, or the sidebar. Next, navigate to Appearance right arrow widgets or to the post editor. Make sure your theme supports the block editor. If not, enable a block-compatible widget area before continuing. You'll now add the RSS block. Open the post editor or widget screen, click the plus icon, and pick the RSS block. Paste the feed URL and press enter so WordPress fetches items. This is how live updates occur. Once items appear, set the number of items to show and toggle options like display excerpt, author, and date. You can rearrange block alignment and typography. This approach uses core functions, so updates come automatically. Finish by previewing the page and verifying that each feed item links correctly and shows fresh content. If items don't update, make sure to clear any caching plugin or server cache, and then retest. Also validate the feed with a feed validator if WordPress can't fetch it. Malformed XML is a common issue. If the feed is non-standard or requires authentication, consider a dedicated import plugin briefly, but return to the built-in RSS block when possible for simplicity and reliability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.